Welcome to this step by step guide on how to send an email to friends or anyone else in 2025. Start by opening web browser like Chrome and then search gmail.com and press enter. And now you just need to log into your account. Once you are in your inbox, select this three-line main menu and select Compose. In the to field, type the email address of the person you want to message. Now you will get the person email ID selected. In the subject line, write a short, clear title of your email. I'm gonna type for YouTube. Now in the big message box, type what you want to say. You can keep it friendly, casual, or professional depending on who you are emailing. I'm gonna type it simply hello. If you want to attach a file, picture, or a document, click on this attach file icon and you can choose the file whatever you want in your computer and then select open and it will be added, guys. For example, I'm gonna open your image and this will be added in here. Finally, once everything looks good, click on send button and your email has now been sent and I will show you the results. That's my email address. So as you can see for YouTube, hello, we send the message and this the image I attached it to. And that's how you can send an email in 2025, quick, clear and simple.